Hello friends, today I am very happy and grateful that I am able to make this video as my today's topic is gratitude. We all have heard about gratitude, that we should have a attitude of gratitude. Let me start with the statement. Normally in most scenarios actions speaks louder than words. But when expressing gratitude, words mean everything. What we are today, what is our success is, it has many hands in it, starting from our parents, our teachers who have inspired us, to the janitors who have kept the school clean, and so many other people. We must have respect and thankfulness and appreciate their efforts in our success. Even our ancient religions and traditions had this expression of gratitude, appreciation, and respect for others. We all have heard and seen the Hindu gesture and statement of Namaste. It acknowledges the divine spark and its ability and its greatness in both of us. And we appreciate the greatness, availability of this greatness in both of us during this statement of Namaste. We must be grateful for each and everything we have around us. Starting from the God who has given us so much this nature and this wonderful surprising body, how it functions. Just see the other peoples who can't see, can't speak, don't have hands and legs. So we must appreciate this body, our thinking pattern we can think on, our nature, so much beautiful water resources we have, air we have to breathe in, the food we have daily basis. So we must be grateful for all those things, because if we think these are not there, what life will be, or no life will be. So we must be grateful. I have read somewhere, like you sometimes some fiber of a mango fruit or a sweet corn fiber, or some during the lunch timing, some cumin seeds stick in our teeth. Then what happened? Our tongue, it repeatedly and every time fiddle with that one teeth until that fiber got out of that teeth. So, but there were other remaining 31 good teeth were there. But focus of tongue was on that one single teeth which is having that fiber. Same way our mind is like the tongue. It has tendency to go, to focus, to see only the negative things. If we see our life, we may have some negative things, some problems we might have, but those may be 2%, 3%. Remaining 98%, 97% area, the good things are there, opportunities are there, successes are there. So we must focus on those good areas, those 98%, and work on 2% also in a practical way. Because what we focus on, that grows, we all know. So that we have learned from there. And why gratitude is so important? Because if we feel gratitude, if we think appreciative, we are thankful, so it helps us to keep us happy. It helps in getting a better sleep, and it gives us a peace of mind, and we feel more alive, and it increases our expression of kindness. Even as per the research, if we are grateful, if we are thankful, and if we see positive things in our life, it improves our immune system also. And other things, that attitude of gratitude shifts our focus to the positive, to the growth mindset in place of negative and lack. And where we focus, it grows. So we will grow in positive way. And it improves our quality of life, our mental, our physical, our spiritual being. That is got improved. And when we have a attitude of gratitude, we feel happier. And when we feel happy, we can focus more, we can see positive things, we can see opportunities, and we work on them. Gratitude reduces our inner fears, because it's hard to be fearful and grateful at the same time. And we all know, if we are not fearful, we can do wonders. And this attitude of gratitude strengthens our faith on ourselves, our faith on the God, our faith on the positive things. And when we have faith, we can conquer anything. This attitude of gratitude helps us to achieve our goals. When we set our goals, we can achieve them. And when we think on negative sides, we can focus on our goals. We get distracted and we waste our time. We cannot be productive. But with gratitude, we see positive things, we feel happy, and with having happy, we can become more productive, focus on our goals, and we can achieve our goals and get success. And it's said, it's not the happy person who are grateful, but it's the grateful people who are happy. Thank you.